Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee like a restaurant at home using an easy method. First, always start with fresh, high-quality whole coffee beans. Grinding them right before you brew is crucial for capturing their full aroma and flavor. Precision is key, so accurately measure your coffee grounds and water. This foundational step ensures a consistently delicious cup every single time, setting the stage for an exceptional home brewing experience. Next, select a brewing method that gives you control, such as a pour-over or a French press. The water temperature is vital. Aim for between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. Using filtered water is also incredibly important. Tap water can contain impurities that negatively impact your coffee's taste, so filtered water ensures a clean, pure flavor profile. Achieving the perfect coffee-to-water ratio is essential for balance. A good starting point is 1 part coffee to 16 or 18 parts water. After adding your hot water, let the coffee grounds bloom for about 30 seconds. This crucial step allows trapped carbon dioxide to escape, preparing the grounds for even extraction and significantly enhancing the final flavor of your brew. Don't skip this small but impactful step. Finally, serve your freshly brewed coffee immediately to enjoy it at its peak flavor and aroma. For an extra touch, a tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly reduce any bitterness, making your coffee smoother. Remember to clean all your brewing equipment thoroughly after each use. This simple habit prevents old coffee oils from affecting future brews, ensuring every cup you make is as delicious as the last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.